There's something you need to know about me. I'm the guy that is way too comfortable driving around with my gas light on. My wife fills up her car with gas when she hits a quarter of a tank like a responsible adult, but me, no. I like to live on the edge, people. Well, I'm embarrassed to say that earlier this year, literally just a few months ago, this lifestyle caught up to me. I was driving to work one morning with my light on, obviously, and as I'm halfway up the on-ramp on the interstate, I start losing power and it hits me. Oh no, it's happening. I'm that guy. I just ran out of gas. In all my shame, I pull over, turn my hazards on, and call a friend of mine I work with to help me out. I severely overestimated how far I could go without filling back up. And I took it so far that I ended up depleting everything and couldn't go any further. It's also me in life sometimes, going, depleting what's on the inside, pushing my mental, emotional, and spiritual health to the limits without slowing down long enough to allow God to fill me back up. And when I get to that point, I'm living with a lot less joy and a lot more stress, worry, fear, and fatigue heading towards burnout. My heart has recently been connecting with this short little prayer found in Psalm 51. Restore to me the joy of your salvation and grant me a willing spirit to sustain. If something is being restored, then the implication is that something has been depleted. When I'm running on empty, everything I'm doing, all the stress I'm feeling, all the difficulty I'm navigating wants to steal my joy. And what does it look like to recenter? Ask God to renew in me the joy of His deliverance of my soul. I love that the psalmist asks God to restore the joy of your salvation, the joy of your deliverance, talking to God. I often think of salvation in terms of my salvation, but I love the reminder that God is the one that gave it to me. He is the one that made it possible for me. Our joy is in the fact that you, oh God, have delivered us. So no matter where you are today or what you're navigating, take a 60-second break and pray this psalm. Ask God to restore the joy that's been depleted. Ask God to renew what's become too normal. Rejoice in the reality that we have a Heavenly Father that sees us and loves us. Allow your heart to be reminded that no matter what you face, we have a God that is so for us, He sent His Son to die and to save us.